first of all, what should I be trying to learn about my hair as I start this journey? Now, all of these questions are orientated around the challenge, the journey of transitioning back to natural hair. And this first question, I love it because it acknowledges that there is something to be learned, especially at this beginning stage of the journey. And for me, I remember personally, at the beginning, it's quite challenging when you're working with two textures of hair. A lot of the time when you're transitioning, you're coming from heat damaged or relaxed or texturized hair, and you're having to work with dual textured hair, and that's quite a challenge, especially when what's growing from your scalp, this natural hair that's coming from your scalp, is not a texture that you're actually accustomed to caring for because of how long you've been working with the damaged or relaxed or texturized hair. And so to answer the question, what should I be trying to learn? I think first of all, just trying to learn what the hair responds well to. Not trying to learn about hair typing or, porosity or like certain things. It's easier to learn about those the longer your hair gets and the more natural your hair is, because it's hard to figure out these things when you're working with the two textures. So you'll see a lot of people in the natural hair community talking about porosity and talking about density and talking about 4C, 3A, blah 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 blah, blah, hair typing and all this stuff. I think first and foremost, it's really important to just get out of your head almost everything that you're being fed at that time, because it can be quite overwhelming. All of these new terminologies and methods and stuff. At the same time, it can be really exciting, thinking, oh yeah, I just want to know this and this and this and this about my hair. I think before any of that, just learn what your hair responds well to. And I mean that in terms of just staple products, oils, leave-in conditioner, shampoo and conditioner, deep conditioner. And I think that's a really important thing to do, and also hair tools, but we'll get into that later.